Good evening, everyone. My final project proposals topic is analyzing air pollution in the New York State. The increasing growth in population in big cities like New York is leading to a negative impact in the air quality, and the regulatory and research institutes have installed multiple air quality monitoring networks in different urban areas to assess and monitor the deteriorating air quality levels. Um, GIS technology helps us manage the statistical and spatial data to provide a tool that shows the correlation between poor air quality and occurrences of deficient human and environment health. The problem statement of this research project is to understand and identify the significant patterns and clusters of air pollution in the New York State and highlight the most affected or polluted areas by performing spatial and temporal analysis using different GIS techniques on a dataset which provides information about the air quality levels in the cities in New York. The main goal by performing this project is to investigate the dataset of air qualities in multiple cities in the New York State and implement GIS analysis techniques on this dataset to understand and identify the most impacted or polluted areas. The objectives that we intend to fulfill by performing this project is to perform GIS analysis on the New York State dataset on air quality in different cities using various tools and techniques in GIS. Also, I would like to create visual representations of the results air pollution analysis um, provide to identify the most impacted areas by monitoring the air quality in different areas. The literature review involved two important papers which discuss about the air pollution. One of them is the assessment conducted in one of the major cities in India, that's Mumbai. Um, the diagram to the right shows a hotspot analysis performed in the city of Mumbai to show the various pollutant levels and um, the health cost uh, that is required by people in different cities, different areas. Um, the health cost is directly proportional to the different um, air pollutants in the area, which are NO2 and PM10. The second paper that I refer to is the spatial and temporal estimation of air pollutants in New York City. Um, this paper also discusses how the air pollution is um, somehow related to the birth outcomes or the increasing pollution in the city population in the city. The diagram shows the two combusted air pollutants PM 2.5 and NO2 in the different areas in the city. Uh, the diagram shows all this diagram also shows a hotspot analysis. The methodology involved in doing this project is to create clusters of areas which have the same level of air quality based on the dataset attributes and then perform hotspot analysis on the clusters to identify the most impacted and polluted areas. I would then also be performing the execute inverse. I would also be executing the inverse distance weighted interpolation to verify the results of the hotspot analysis. The expected output would be a result of hotspot analysis that would identify the clusters of the most impacted or affected areas in the New York State, and also an output of the inverse distance weighted interpolation to verify the results of hotspot analysis. Thank you.